Are you familiar with reading books and would love to monetize it? In today's video, I will be sharing with you websites where you can read those books you love and earn from it. When you look at those books on Amazon, these are books that people like you and I have read and reviewed and have made money for themselves. So you too can do same and make money, which is why I'm making this video. So you can know how and where to monetize this skill. This is something you will be doing online from the comforts of your home and from anywhere in the world. So if you just see me for the first time, my name is Chidi and I'm very enthusiastic about helping you make money on the online space. So ensure you stick with me right to the end of this video. So click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and also turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I post content that can possibly make you money legitimately. With all that said, let's jump right into the video. The first website on my list will pay you $5 to $60 per review. But then let me quickly remind you that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is something you can do at your leisure time to supplement your current income. So the name of the website is called Online Book Club. This website requires that you give a honest review on a book that you have read. You don't need to say that you love a book if you didn't. The first book you'll be reviewing on this platform will be for free. So after your first approved review, you will be eligible for paid review opportunity. And so to be part of this online book club, you need to sign up. Signing up on this platform can be a bit difficult, especially when it comes to typing out captchas to confirm that you are a human. So follow me closely as I put you through. You need your email address to sign up. The next, you need to type out the captcha to confirm you are a human. When typing out this captcha, you should space it like you type 2, you space, type capital letter T, you space until you are done. The next step is verifying your email address. An email will be sent to you like this one. You quickly click on the link to continue the sign up process, which will bring you to step 2, where you input your first name, last name, create your password and submit. After that, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. You tap on the drop down to select your country and you input your number. So a code will be sent to your phone number. You quickly confirm and then type out those code. And that will bring you to step 3, where you state the device you'll be using to read books. If it's a Nook, Android, iPhone, you choose yours and submit. And you are all signed up. Congratulations. This is basically how to sign up here. Go ahead and utilize the opportunity on this platform and start making money for yourself. I'll be pasting the link to this website down below the descriptions so you can access it easily. Another platform for reviewing books is called Kiko's Review. Just as you can see here, Kiko's Media is looking for experienced book reviewer of English and Spanish language. On this platform, there are a lot of books you can review, ranging from fiction, mystery, thriller, and of course, you get paid for doing this. Kiko's Review pays $60 to $90 for each book you review. So how do you apply on this platform? You simply submit your resume, write samples to this website here, drop at kikos.com, and you can apply from anywhere in the world, just as you can see on this website. And the last website that will pay you for reading and reviewing books is called Readsee Discovery. You can see on the homepage it says, "Are you a passionate book reviewer? Streamline your workflow, access hundreds of books for free before they are published, and earn money while doing what you love." So on this website, you can review a book both in writing and audio, not like other websites that I just shared that you have to review by writing. Our books are provided as ebook and are available as PDF, which you'll be able to download on your mobile device. One fascinating thing about this website is that they give you at least 1 month to review a book and submit. And if you pick up a book and realize that you can't submit on time, you have the option of returning it. And their pay here is ranging from $1 to $5. To apply on this platform, you simply click on this button, apply to become a reviewer, to create your profile and start making money from book review. Okay guys, I hope you got value from this video. Ensure you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe. Until my next one, it is bye.